Oh, we're so fucking back. We're so fucking back. We're so back. We are so back. We are so back. I would have. Quarter of that. Nah, we've had too much movement. The last few days been crazy. Rough. Oh well. Why do I have all these join messages? Get the fuck out of here. We don't need that. We don't need that shit. More chat settings. Get the fuck out of here. And we need, can some people like the fuck stream? What is this shit? I need to get my like counter going. New viewers. Fuck off. Oh, I need to turn the other thing off that stops from potential spam or offensive comments. Yeah, you can get out of there. We don't care about that. You don't care about that. Alright, let's get the like counter going. Someone liked it. Hold up, Jules. 1 second. 1 second. Need to... Oh no, shit. Wrong one. Connect. Alright, we should be good. Now like the stream. Do it now. Do it now. Do it now. And you should pop up here. Like again. There we go, Jules. There we go. Sweet. Number one. I just went live, so it's gonna take a second to fucking get some people up in here and start yapping and shit. And that's okay. I've been suspended for an entire week. So I'm not surprised people are like, meh, 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 meh. All right, what do we need? We need 1,500 likes, easy. You guys can do that. Go live on 2 days. That won't happen this week. Unless I go live on Sunday, which I probably will. 40k likes. Well, not gonna happen this week. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. We're almost at our follower goal thing. Post one short video. I can do that. I can do that. Just post it and then get rid of it. Alright, what do we need? Oh, there's no way we get to that. There's no fucking way we get to that. That's so annoying. So, why? Why what? Oh, why'd I get suspended? Because I have fucking terrible language. That's why. How's market open right now for you? Or are you trading crypto? No, the market's open. We open till, I don't even know, like fucking for another like 12 hours. Thank you, Red Dog. What's good as well? How are we? Thank you. Thank you very much for that. Yeah, 600's fucking wild, man. Like, it's not that much, but it's a lot for me. And I don't even really post on fucking YouTube, which is going to change. And my newest video that I posted was dog shit and did terribly because it was fucking shit. And it was kind of just a test, an editing test, which I don't particularly know if I'm going to stick to. I don't know if I'm going to stick to that style of editing because it doesn't really suit me. I suit raw, just conversations, explaining shit, not this fucking crazy editing bullshit. So I don't know if that's particularly for me. No, this is just, so this is like, this, oh shit. This doesn't have anything on it, this account. This is just for analysis. But I was doing, this is what my charts usually look like. That's what my charts look like, day to day. So, it all means stuff to me, like, these purple ones are the previous day's high and lows. As you can see, yesterday's high, yesterday's low. This is the weekly high, weekly low. These are just fair value gaps. I got my break-even line here. What else do we have on the chart? RSI, because I use RSI. But so yeah, that's just what my charts look like all the time. But this is just an analysis. This is just when I go live and fucking people want to have a look at shit or whatever. Because this is a VPS, right? Look at how slow this shit is. Look at how like fucking, and that's just what happens when you go on VPSs. They're just slow. Because this is a computer that's in the US, right? This is a New York VPS, so literally look, I can't even zoom out. What do I do here? What is it? Minus? There we go. That'll fix it. So yeah, that's typically what I look for, but I might pull out of this trade at yesterday's high because I feel like we're going to have some resistance coming off of yesterday's high, but we do have, and we got this level here, we do have a lot of upside potential as we're in this big range here. So this is just one trade. I'm in a fucking shitload, but this one I'm just keeping an eye on because we are in decent profit at the moment, and yeah, I look at taking it out soon. We'll see. We'll see. Foreskin reveal. I don't have it, so can't help you there. So confusing. It can be confusing to the majority of people. What the fuck is going on here? Why What the fuck have I missed? Is that like a broker issue? I think that was like a broker issue. Sleepy, what's good? What platform do I use? MT4. And my broker is Black Bull Markets. Long time no see. It has been. It's been a whole fucking week. Oh, I was on my other account briefly, but that was short-lived. I fucking literally, I think I had 1 day of streaming on there before I got banned. So it's whatever. But yeah, how you going? What's happening? Brothers, day trading with it, worth it? I want to be financially free. Well, yes, in a short answer. A long answer is you can do so many different things to be kind of financially free, right? For me, trading is like, you know, I could switch my computer off and fuck off for like months and not trade and it'd be fine. And I don't have a job. I wake up whenever the fuck I want to wake up. So it's worth it in the end if you want to put the work in. But that's with absolutely anything. If you want to put the work in with literally anything, it's worth it. Yeah. Clash Royale, what are you doing? What the fuck? Shaved his mustache. What do you mean shaved my mustache? I haven't had a mustache in like 4 years. Bro, could you please talk about the best time to quit our jobs and go full-time mode trading? Yeah, sure. Well, you need to do it properly, you will want a couple of months worth of bills in an account somewhere that you can just, if shit goes wrong, pay your bills, or because the majority of your capital you will want in the markets, right? Because you need a lot of capital to do this sort of stuff, right? So you need an account that has money in it to pay your bills whilst you're building your account, and then you take that money out, put it in that account, and just keep topping it up to pay all your bills and everything. So as long as you have enough money to pay for a couple of months of bills, then and you know that obviously you're profitable and you've gone through multiple you know, bad trading conditions, and that you know that your strategy can survive, you know, catastrophic events, then yeah, sure, quit your job. Are you profitable? Yes. And also, how much per day in general would you consider a very good amount of money? Well, I mean, that's different to me. So, but, so I try and target monthly around 7.5%. That's my average, and that's what I go for. Obviously I would like a little bit more, but that's my average, and that's been my average for quite some time. So I have bigger months, I have smaller months, but on average it's about 7.5%. And that really depends. I can go on streaks though that I have, you know, 15% months consistently, and then it'll drop down to, you know, 2% months couple of times. So on average it's about 7.5% per month. It's very different. It's very different. How much do you make? Oh, I just answered that. What's the best time to trade in New South Wales? Depends on your strategy. Really depends on your strategy. You could have a strategy that works fantastically at market open and terribly not during market open. It depends what instrument you use. It really depends. Hey bro, I'm new to day trading and started on Bybet. Is there better apps? I'm in Oz. Well, good thing you're in Australia, but fucking, I've never heard of Bybet. Bybit? Bybet. I've never even fucking heard of this. What is this? Is it Bybit? Bybet, yeah. I don't even know what the fuck this is. And it looks sus. I've never even heard of this. I don't do crypto, so... I mean, at least it's got market sentiment and just specific data, I guess. Crypto's fucked. I don't trade crypto. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, I don't trade crypto, so... Not much till down the bottom here. Yeah. Thank you for all the likes, guys. I really appreciate that. Fucking killing it already. So thank you guys very much. Shit. Thank you guys very much. How do you lose money in trading? Shit, sorry, I didn't even respond to that. Well, there's lots of ways. A lot of people use stop losses, right? So they will, let's say we enter a trade here. Fuck, that's a bad example. Let's say we enter a trade here and we're, fuck, let me get my little pen up. Give me my fucking pen. Let's say, you know, we've had our downwards movement and we see a reversal here. So we enter here. What a lot of people do, they'll be like, oh, okay, I'll put my stop loss here and I'll put my take profit up here for a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So you're risking this amount of money to make this amount of money, and that's where they find their edge, right? This does not work. There are a very, very, very small amount of humans on this planet that can make this work. So we enter in here, it goes up a little bit, we're in profit, awesome. Oh no, just crash back down, boom, taking out a stop loss, we lose the money. So that's how that works. And it happens exceptionally frequently to people that trade with stop losses. I don't. So I scale into position. So let's say I see the market moving up here. This is not the best example. So let's say I would actually enter in here, which, hold up, I think that's what I'm in. If we go to an hourly. I'm close. I entered in here. So there was obviously a bit of spread there that caused me to get in up here, but I got in here expecting it to go up, right? But let's say I entered in here, what will happen is it will continue to go down, right? And I'll just enter again. And because I'm only using 0.1% risk, I'm not risking a ton of money. So if we have some massive move to the upside, I'm in fuck all risk. And so I trade, as you can see, actually you might not be able to see, but I have so many different pairs that I trade. Like all of these are currently running. So here we have another one. We just tapped down below last week's high. We're coming back up. I need to adjust that take profit actually. It'll be all the way up here. And then I'll just target yesterday's high. And then if we crash down even lower to maybe 2 days ago's low, then I'll just fucking, my bot will detect that we've gotten down here. What the fuck is happening here? My bot will detect that we've gotten down here, and then it'll get me in another position. And then my break even, so this is my break even level, will go down to about here. So if I enter here, I've only got to get to here to be in a profit, right? So if I target it, let's say it crashed down even further, what I would do is that I would then target last week's high, as there would be probably a lot of pending orders and stop losses up there, which the banks will push up to find liquidity to drive the move even further. there you go. Simple explanation. Ooh, bro, crypto is such a waste of time for short-term trading. Absolutely. Forex is the best at the moment. Yeah, it is. And I was trading indices a lot, and I got out of the indices because of how fucked it is. Everything's just fucked. Forex is just nice, steady. I mean, there are a lot of big moves happening in Forex right now, but the way that I trade is steady and okay. I'm not in like massive drawdown or anything, just banking profits. It's good. And crypto is just a fucking absolute nightmare for day traders. What do you think about TradingView? It's okay. It's okay. I don't like how you have to pay for shit. And the algorithmic side of it, like developing expert advisors and everything, is just, that's what MT4 is for, and that's what I do. I trade algorithmic, use algorithms using a bot. So this is what I do. Trading is actually boring and easy. It's unlearning all the other bullshit that is hard. That is fucking true. That is fucking true. That's why I started this whole shit. Man, sitting in front of the fucking computer is boring. Like, is boring. I wouldn't say it's easy. If you know the right strategy, then yeah. Like, I mean, I don't really do much. But yeah, it is unlearning, and I had to do that. I spent a year and a half learning all the bullshit and then had to unlearn all of it because I was just fucking blowing all my demo accounts. And I was demo for 2 whole fucking years. Is plus 500 a good trading app? No. Fair King is the king of fairness, acting fairly across all affairs. Thank you. Thank you very much. How are you? It's good to see you back. Can you sell right when it's going down and still take home some money? What do you mean by that? Sell right when it's going down and still take... I mean, you can never time the market. Like, you can get lucky, but you'll never consistently do it. How'd you even first get into trading? I don't even remember, to be honest. I actually don't remember. I remember a very long time ago, though, like trying multiple different things, right? And I tried lots of different e-commerce type shit, drop shipping, all the standard shit. And then I found trading, and I just remember saying, like, I need to stick with something, because I was hopping from thing to thing to thing, trying to find the next fucking big thing, and I just stuck with this, and I stuck with it for a long time before I saw any fucking progress. Umar Ashraf. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I heard of this guy. He was on Mike Thurston's podcast. I remember listening to the podcast, but it was a while ago. I can't remember when that was. I don't really know. I've never looked into him, but I can take a look later. But yeah, I'm just not too sure. What up, Harry? What do you think? Pound US dollar. Oh, there's not much going on right now. I wouldn't even, personally, I wouldn't even get into that. It depends what time frame you're trading, I suppose. But it's just fucking chop. Steady uptrend. I'd be looking at, oh fuck, I just turned my EA off. Oops. I'd be looking at these levels for shorts. If we can get some good push up there, I'd be looking for this level, this level. Oh fuck, that was terrible. That level for shorts potentially. That's about it. Yeah. I officially hit rock bottom in my trading career. Good. That's a good thing, Patrick. Because you found this guy. Join my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Come talk to me. Tell me what happened. It's free, and I'll chat to you. I like talking to people and helping them out for free. I obviously have my mentorship, but just come talk to me. How long did it take you to learn day trading? 2 years, approximately. A year and a half to 2 years. Thank you for following me as well. So you don't have to pay for stuff when you trade. What do you mean by that? Brokers take commissions and shit, yeah? Very, very small amount, and they make money on spreads and everything, but you don't particularly have to pay for anything. What do you think about ETH right now? I can have a look at ETH. I have been recommending people to buy that for a long time. And that's why. So around this entire area, I have been... Why is that like... So... There we go. There we go. I've been recommending people to buy this whole area and waiting for our push back up to the highs. I think that's a fantastic opportunity for crypto traders. I don't really trade crypto, so these highs we will probably come back up to, and I've been saying that for a while. Yeah. I guess you missed a big fucking move though, but I've been saying it for a while. Bro, what I also noticed is people should not compare their strategies to others. Yeah, can mess with their heads. Yeah, if you implement two strategies together, that can be detrimental. Yeah, that conflict with each other. How long did it take you to become profitable? 1.5 to 2 years. I only put money in after 2 years. Any potential coins to get into? Fuck, no idea. Yeah. Hippo Sun breakout. What? Hippo for Sui is like bong for... What? Bro, Hippo... What? Okay. Sammy, thank you very much for following me. Bro, what are your thoughts on anyone can be a professional trader? Nah, they can't. Hey, Mr. Kitty... What up, Xander? How are ya? How you been? What's cracking? Many people can handle the pressure and don't have the psychological strength for it. That is absolutely true, yeah. I'm about to fucking piss myself, so I'm going to be back in a second. Alright, we're back. I've been drinking so much water because I'm taking creatine again for these fucking, you know, for this fuck. Look at the fucking size of this cunt. Look at the... But that's true, Sleepy. Yeah, not everybody can do it because some people are... It is the psychological shit. I'm good. I'm fantastic. I'm back. The king is fucking back. And no LGBT terminology because I'll get suspended again. So annoying. Is this gold? No, this is ETH. Ew, get this off my screen. No, what am I in again? What's the one I'm looking at? There's a US dollar CAD. There's New Zealand dollar CAD I was looking at. I want to keep an eye on. Where's my New Zealand dollar CAD? There we go. Oh, that's a daily. I was like, what the fuck? Oh, that's not good. Your teeth are getting infected again? That is not good. That's not good. Fuck that. That is absolutely not good. I hope you're right. Trading is literally monitoring performance and acting accordingly. Yeah. Fuck, something just clicked. I thought it was my stream getting shut down again. What indicators you like to use? There's a few. RSI, moving average, fair value gaps for the new generation. Can you draw Discord? Invite. Oh, so when you click on the link tree, just open it in an external browser, and then it'll work. TikTok doesn't like it for some reason. I can, however, do that. Just try that, and then let me know if it works, please. If you just open it in an external browser, just hit the three dots at the top right. Looking good, bruv. Thank ya. Pair, New Zealand dollar CAD. What markets you trade? Forex and indices, but Forex mostly. Jason, what's good? How are you? King is back. I like that. I fucking am. I was in this chat the other day. How's it going? Yeah, I remember you. I'm good. How are you? Drinking some coffee in the sun now. Fuck yeah. Nice. Feeling good. We love that. We love that. I had some sunlight today. Man, I've been waking up super late. I've been working super early into the morning. I've been waking up at fucking, 2 o'clock. And then it's been rainy. I haven't had any sunlight or anything. And then yesterday and today, boom, blaring sun, no rain. I got my little pale skin up in the fucking sun. It was good. I felt good. So yeah, get some sunlight, get feeling good. I just answered that. No, it's not. So I'll drink some pineapple juice, hoping it'll go away. Yeah, that's not good. 700 to 800 again. Fuck that. That's rough. You do futures? Nah, CFDs only. I don't like how futures expire. Bro, can you check the news for today? Yeah, nothing much happened. Hello. What's going on? Really? Fuck. I'll talk to the boss. No, but I'm live streaming. But they can only hear me. Oh no, absolutely not. It's one or the other. That's the problemo. Yeah, but that's absolutely not gonna fucking happen. I need to be conscious that that is not gonna fucking happen. So it's gotta be tomorrow night. It's gotta be tomorrow night. Nah, fuck no. I can't, because okay, I'm not doing both nights. And I can't, I'm not doing both nights, and tomorrow night would be way better. Because I just know that it's not like, it's gonna be like fucking 6 o'clock in the morning after like 7,000 fucking alcoholic beverages, and I just don't want to do that. Right, talk to you later. Alright, we're back. We're back. Sorry about that. I don't want to drink tonight. Fuck that. Not happening. We got the view. It's looking pretty tonight, am I right? It's looking fucking pretty. I think we're gonna pop the flare. We're gonna get a shitload of people up in here, so I'm gonna need lots of comments, lots of likes, lots of engagement. We're gonna absolutely run the fuck up. Yeah? Yeah or yeah? I think yeah. Anyway, let's get back into it. News, nothing's happened today. That's not good. And besides the oil bullshit, Iran, what negotiators say in media may be different in talks. That's about it. Swiss, doesn't really matter. Consumer sentiment and inflation expectations is about as fucking deep as it's gonna go. So, yeah, I wouldn't be too worried. Nothing's really happening. Nothing's really happening at all. So yeah, we'll see. Sorry guys, just give me a second. Cool. Still doesn't work in an external browser. Okay, yeah, just give me 1 sec. Let me get it up. There you go. Sorry about that. Does it take you to like the App Store or whatever? Can be fucking weird. Bro, we expecting the McLaren? Fucking oath. The end of the year. We'll see. The end of this year, start of next year. I'm asleep at 3 in the night and wake at 9 in the morning. That's shit. Sleep's important, man. I can't really talk. I've awful sleep, but it's important. Been to the dentist this week already. Fuck, I missed my dentist appointment again. That's not good. Cool Gamer Boy 56 followed me. Thank you very much. Good choice, bro. By not drinking, you're not missing out on anything. Well, so it's my best mate's girlfriend's birthday. So but it's her friend's birthday tonight, but they're getting like a fucking hotel and all that bullshit near me because I live a little bit further away. Getting a hotel tomorrow night, and they want me to do both. Not doing that. I got fucking shit to do tomorrow, so it'll end up not good. Gonna get more capital, but only really need the extra because I'm a bitch. What do you mean? No, the more capital, the better. Like, you're gonna very much benefit from that. Why is it? As soon as I don't know what it is, but I take my hat off and the viewership goes up. I put my hat back on and it goes down. It's really weird. I've noticed that so many times. We're just gonna roll without the hat. Maybe TikTok doesn't like me with a hat. Let me make sure my hair's not disabled, which it is. Give me a second, I gotta fix this shit. I'm gonna be pretty for everyone, you know? How are we looking? How are we looking? Jesus Christ. Jesus fucking Christ. What am I, fucking beauty queen? Hold up. I'm literally acting like a fucking little beauty queen. This is ridiculous. That'll do. I don't care. That'll fucking do. Sue me. Meow. Alright, let's get the viewers. Let's get the viewers. Ready? It's gonna pump. Well, don't do that too much. But haven't lost any money, except didn't finish my combine within a month, even though I was up. Finish my combine. I don't know what that means. You should go to just see their faces. Fuck no. Cause if for starters, it's fucking 40 minutes away. If I go all the way there, I'm drinking, and I don't stop drinking. Actually, there was one time that I was drinking. This was the only time I've ever been like, nah, fuck this, was when I told you to hit me up, because I thought I was going to be absolutely torched. I thought I was going to be fucked, and I was like, hey, I'll talk to Xander, blah, blah, blah. Nah, I was like, I had a couple drinks, I'd barely slept for days, and I was just like, fuck this, I just want to be in bed. But that's not usually the case. Usually when I drink, I have 3,000 fucking drinks up after sunrise, and it's just, yeah. Can you check a whiff and peanut? Nah, I don't trade fucking crypto. It's your mouth. What do you mean? What do you mean it's my mouth? I need you motherfuckers. We were doing so good on the fucking likes. We were headed for a big like stream. What is this shit? What is this shit? That's pretty bad, man. That's pretty bad. Xander, thank you. Pulling through. That's pretty fucking bad. Okay, I can check. What's it's Fing 3K. Effing 3K. I know, what the fuck is that? We're almost an hour in. How do I get started to make a bit of extra money? Join my Discord. Ask me questions. There's a 1 hour video on how to get started as a beginner. All the basics, everything like that. It's on my Discord. No. Don't do that. Not recommended. We're still slowly pushing up. Slowly. I'll probably have to hold this over the weekend, which I prefer not to, so if we get maybe up to around here, I might pull out. Been there, done that. Same. What are we doing? Fucking... What's that deck screener? Like, why am I even doing this? What the fuck is happening? Why am I even doing this? Like, yeah, I guess it had a pump. I don't. Spoke to a guy this week. Hit 1,600 paper trading. Crypto just started. Yeah, well, crypto, if you just started, that's fine. And paper or demo trading's fantastic. Crypto's not something that you want to be getting into. Highly recommend you don't get into it. It's just a fucking disaster. It is an absolute disaster to try and day trade. The only thing that's good for crypto is investing early or when there's catastrophic crashes and getting in and holding it until everyone decides to just buy it again. He transported 100 damn, but he got caught. Fuck, that's not good. How's he out? I can tell you a story of when I got caught, but I'm not gonna do that. Maybe on like a private thing in fucking Discord or something, but yeah, not in here. Even Forex is a disaster now. It's not ideal conditions, like this is fucked, but it happens, you know. You get these fucking big dips, and even this one's not that catastrophic. So, I mean, you look back in history, is it that bad? I don't think so. It's not completely ideal, and it can hurt a lot of people's accounts, but you look back in history, you're always going to find these massive crashes and booms. You just got to find a strategy that can survive this stuff. Otherwise, you're in trouble. He's not out. You got a phone in jail. Fair enough. What is good to trade futures? I don't. Oh, not futures. No. I mean, you can if that's what you want to get into, but I don't like futures in particular. I hold trades if it goes in the opposite direction, and scale into positions when they're going in the opposite direction. So I'll give you a quick rundown. Let me find one that I'm in right now. I actually don't know what I'm in multiple positions of. Oops. There we go. Okay, so right here, Euro New Zealand. Let's get onto the hourly chart. I'll give you an example. So we've had a big push up to here. My expert advisor detects that we're in this extended condition, right? It'll put in a short, expecting to go short, because obviously banks and institutions have bought up this level, bought it like crazy, bought it like crazy. There's lots of buying pressure. You're expected to push back, right? Which it happened, it just wasn't big enough to get us out of profit, which I probably would have got out of profit around here, right? That didn't happen. It continued. It had a push down, it had a profit take move, but it wasn't big enough, which happens, and that's okay. So we had a little, you know, you could say this was like a fucking flag break. It continued to push up. They kept buying it up. That's fair enough. Another extended condition. We put in another sell, right? It's going to happen eventually. It's going to snap back eventually. The harder it goes up, the faster it comes down, right? So we had a big push, got in again, that moves our break even from here to here. This is our yellow line. That's our break even line. So now, had another pushback, didn't quite get it. That was probably just liquidity hunting. We've had another push up. We got up to around last week's high, right? Around yesterday's high as well, which was this level. We kind of did an M pattern. So they've obviously hunted for more liquidity, most likely. They've taken out everyone's fucking stops and then started the move back down. So we're now in profit. And this is our target around last week's low. And, you know, if we get to yesterday's low and I decide and, you know, we get a little bit of accumulation or something, you know, something like this, I might just pull out there because they might just buy up that level again and we could get back up to here. And then that's when you can be stuck in them for a little bit, deciding which way they want to go, whether it's up or whether it's down, just waiting usually for some form of news event to push the market. So yeah, that's just a little example of a trade that I'm currently in right now. And I'm going to start breaking them down a little bit more for people as well, because usually I don't. Usually I just like do some analysis and everything, but I like doing that. So yeah. I've been doing crypto trading, getting around 1 to 2.5% a day. For how long? And how much are you risking? That's fucking insane. I know some of the best, most profitable fucking traders, and that is a lot. Delivered it by drone for 800. Fucking hell. French show, shit. A lot of people will blow their account now. Yep. Do you need a laptop? Yeah. Yeah. The whole trade from your phone, sit on the beach, that's bullshit. Complete bullshit. You won't be profitable long term. Okay, I get what you're saying. Okay. Where are you from? Brisbane, Australia? Makes sense. Good. What is this? New Zealand dollar card. 1% a day is absolute horse crap lie. Yeah, it's pretty hard. That's pretty hard. I average 7.5% per month, right? And people hear that and they're like, oh, it's fuck all, but it's like, man, you just haven't been around long enough to fucking know that that's a very good number. It's just the internet's horseshit. T followed, thank you very much. Appreciate that. 2,500, but risk is about 50 to 60%. Fucking hell. How do you know what to trade? Years of experience, and I mean, you can trade pretty much anything. There's obviously different strategies that are going to be implemented to different instruments, but it depends on your strategy. Experience, pick something. Do you mean how do I know when to get into trades? I'm a little confused. Good traders get 20% a year, 1% a day is parabolic returns. Yeah, I don't see 1% a day very often. 20% a year. Yeah, I'd say that's on the. I wouldn't say that's like fucking fantastic. I mean, yeah, I'd say that's pretty shit. I've seen a lot of traders get higher than that, but that can be an average, yeah. Well, it's statistically, I read this a while ago that it was 3 to 10% per month that day traders make. 10% is pretty fucking insane. I did like not last month, but the month before, I did 21.22%, and then last month I did like 3%. You know what I mean? I guess it just depends on the month. And that was fucking insane. 21% in a month is fucking insane. I've only ever done that like 3 or 4 times. I've been trying to study one strategy since I'm still new. Do you think break and retest is good? Break and retest is not bad, yeah. I mean, a lot of people use break and retest. The thing is like the majority of technical analysis and everything is bullshit. You have no idea when the fuck some fucking hedge fund or bank is gonna pile through a bunch of orders that they have on their books that they need to execute. Just because there's a break and a retest doesn't really mean anything, to be honest, because you never know. And if you catch that move, right, like, you just know. The majority of it's just luck, because you've got no idea when the fuck the big players are going to hit the button and start piling into a position or whatever. You got no idea. And that's why I use the strategy that I do. It's because you have no idea when they're going to decide to hit the button and start the move. Zero clue. Darkberry, thank you very much for following. Anything over 20% is moonshot gambling. Nah, I don't believe that. I don't believe that at all. But that, I mean, we can have separate opinions. That's just from, I mean, you might have seen something different. I've been around different people, but certainly the majority of shit that's on the internet is absolutely fake, right? Like 20% a year is a realistic number. It's realistic. My average is 7.5%, and I don't gamble at all. How long did it take for you to be profitable? 1.5 to 2 years. So it was around that range. It took me about 1.5 years to find my mentor that I eventually found, and then I kind of had to like unlearn a lot of the bullshit that I found and was taught. And it was only a couple months after that when I actually decided to put my money in, because I was demo trading for 2 years, essentially. Man, this flare did absolutely nothing, eh? Tier 3 flare, and it did about as much as a tier 1 flare would do. Like, V8 supercar edits. Okay, I'm trying to remember the name. Deep in my brain. Is it Levi? What's good, bud? I'm back. Hair. Annoying me. Hair. Nah, fuck it. I don't even care. Hat's gone back on. Is this self-sufficient? Yes. You're living off trade? Yes. Nah, not really. None of the side hustles. Congrats. Thank you. Thank you. I remembered. Pretty sure you only said that once. Told me your name once. How's my day? It's been pretty good. Woke up, gym, bit of work, on a live. So it's been good. Yeah, it's been good. Fuck, I gotta stop moving over here, because then you can't fucking see me, because I'm hidden by all of you guys liking the stream. Let me try to see. Can I move that over a tad? Or do I just need to sit here? I think I just need to sit here and stop moving around. Man, I keep getting these fucking phone calls from Sri Lanka or some shit. That's good. What's your edge? Well, I trade a lot differently to the majority of people, right? I use 0.1% entries. Yes, that's right, 0.1%, and I'll scale into my positions. So I'll wait for an extension in the market, and if it doesn't go my way, and I don't use stop losses, and I'll just scale in, and wait for a pullback. I use like a dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, martingale type strategy, which is very unconventional to the internet, because I don't sit there and go, oh yes, I'm gonna fucking put my fucking entry here and the stop loss here because of this liquidity sweep and fucking this it's just bullshit. You from Sydney? Nah, Brisbane. Yeah, I'll be right back and then help my girl or something. Oh, sweet, brother. Talk to you soon. I'll let you. Tissue repair on the ASX. Dude, I do not even trade the ASX. Never have. God damn, if I saw that though. I would have fucking bought the shit out of that. I'm back. Hello, Sienna. I am back. Finally. It's been a fucking journey. But I am back. Don't you threaten me. How much you make per month generally? $1 million. 7.5% of my account, usually. Bro, these fucking... Got my first funded account with $625 with drawdown limit of 62. So that's a small funded account. $625. And yeah, fundeds suck. It's about to pop off end of year. Keep on it. Hopefully. We'll see. What's that? Get this out of my face. Dude, what? It keeps saying that it detects inactivity in my live. I don't understand. How do you manage capital gains tax? Well, it's fully applied because I don't hold anything for more than 12 months. And I get an accountant. I have an accountant that does everything. I'm at a sleepover, so I can't stay long. Well, sweet. Thanks for tuning in anyway. And I'm sure if you didn't, I'm going to be upset. You gave me some likes. That'll do. I appreciate that. How do you start? Go to my Discord, it's linked to my bio, and then Go watch the video on the basics. 16 people in here. There probably was, but yeah. TikTok doesn't like me. Not a threat when my order block meets your fair value. TikToker stop spamming. Is he? Literally put it twice. Geordie Oz, thank you very much for following. I think we only need a couple more followers. So if you're not following, you need to. We need 2 more people follow. 2 more people. 2 more people to follow me. Please. Please. Please, TikToker, please, 1 more. 1 more. And then I get my diamonds. I need 1 more follower. And then maybe TikTok will like me again. There we go. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you guys. TikToker, Lucas, Elijah. I appreciate that a lot. We got it. We got it. Can I get another fucking flare yet? No, we're 100 of these things away. Oh, but that doesn't even matter. It ends in 2 days? Fuck, I didn't see that. Okay, we'll get to that. And then we'll get, but it doesn't matter because it's gonna restart. That's shit. Are you up or down right now? Down, I think. But I'm always in drawdown. Drawdown's good. I like drawdown. But wait, overall up, but the positions I'm in, I think the majority of them are in drawdown, which they stay in drawdown for the majority of the time. I also don't understand. Yeah. Thank you guys very much for all the followers. Thank you, thank you. Full margin, sell gold. Selling gold's just so scary. Oh shit. Thank God I didn't buy that up. I was going to. Wait. I think it was here I was actually going to buy it up. Yeah, it was. So that would have actually, I was going to full port that. We might sit in a range on gold, eh? For a while, like we saw. Pretty sure it was down here, yeah. That would be fucked. You'll start to see a lot of gold traders disappearing again because they can't just go long forever. Are you trading and just thugging it out? I'm in trades, but we're seeing what's happening. Got some rejection off of this little accumulation zone. See if we can break down. That'd be nice to get down to last week's low, but we're still in profit on this one. So we shall see. Don't full port gold, it's too scary. Nah, like on a fun account. I do fun accounts every now and again where I'll just like, you know, chuck a bit of money and just go fucking crazy. So I'm due to do that. It's been a while. I'm back on the dart, Xander. Fuck! Took fucking 1 night of drinking. The darts. Ciggies. It's bad. Bad, bad, bad. Let me actually, I'm gonna open up my other VPS and see how we're going. You for real? Yeah. Nah, that's right. I'll dead set. It takes one hangover for me to be like, nah. Oh shit. Whoops. Fuck. Fuck that up. The fuck? To drink? Yeah. I don't. Oh, this count's doing alright. I could bank a lot of profit here. But I'm not gonna do that. I'll let him run. Yeah, I don't drink during the week ever. I don't have casual drinks. I don't do any of that shit. If I drink, I'm going out, special events or some shit, and I'll usually on a Saturday night, and I'll drink till I drop. Like, I drink pretty heavily. Pretty heavily. Like, I'll have like, right now, it's not as bad, but I was drinking like 30 drinks a night. But the thing was I would drink for so long that 30 isn't actually that much. You know, I'd be drinking for like 12 hours. 14, 16 hours sometimes, like a long time. Bit disappointed. Sorry. What were your thoughts on my story? I don't drink every day, but every night. What, your story? I think I saw that actually today.
As the motherfuckers you talk to for no reason. You'll be successful as the motherfuckers that you talk to for no reason. What I mean is, if you spend your day talking to a nigga that got nothing going on, what the fuck kind of information can he ask you? Can he help you learn something? Can he teach you something in the conversation? Feel it. Leave me the fuck alone, man. America got a thing for this gangsta shit. You love me? Black truckers, black belly, leather belly. I take.
It's true. You are who you hang out with. You know what's crazy? Damn, I got rid of it. Is my music still playing? Because I want to show you guys something. That's why I got no viewers. My music's not playing. How long's my music been off for? Or is it still playing? How's my music? Oh, it's still playing. So, right, we put this song on. This is crazy. I'll show you guys something. This is my intro song to the stream. I put this song on every time. I just want to make sure that's actually true.
Every wise man knows that Mexican women are famous for two things: their beauty and their susceptibility to charm. Watch this. Good evening. Let me guess. You drink tequila.
It's my intro song.
2 glasses of talisman.
Hold up. I'm gonna show you. I'm probably gonna get suspended for this, but how can I open this in a... There we go.
This man knows that Mexican women are famous for two things: their beauty and their susceptibility.
It's my intro song. I saw this just before. I was like, are you kidding me?
Good evening. Let me guess. You drink tequila. Barman, 2 glasses of talisman.
This is actually so funny, this video.
When the talisman does tequila, we don't need salt. We don't need lemons. No fancy gimmicks. What you're about to taste is just the finest agave distilled to perfection. You know, just like your granddad used to make back in old Mexico.
But babe, I'm German.
Whatever.
Alright, that was so funny. US officials will send letters out soon to countries for trade deals. Interesting. Every night, drinking every night is pretty wild. I think 50 Cent is real crazy in spitting facts. Yeah. Have you seen his movie? I think it's like Get Rich or Die Trying. Whatever it is. Fuck, it's good. And his TV show too, Power. I think that's what it's called. I watched the first couple of seasons, it were really good, but I haven't watched any of the new ones or whatever. Friends with Tates. You are? We're your most loyal fans? Yeah, I know. What the fuck is going on here? Did you change your profile picture or some shit, Lucas? I swear it was something different. Yeah, I've seen the movies, the TV shows, mad. Been to the concerts and did read the book. Nice, true, mad. That's fucking sick. I haven't read the book. But yeah, no, the movie was surprisingly good. Like, I don't particularly enjoy like the remade versions of people's lives or whatever, and I wasn't like the biggest fan of 50 like back in the day, but after I watched that movie I was like, fuck, his music actually, I'll listen to his music now. Oh, I want to listen to this song actually as well. What's the book like? What is the book? Maybe I am drinking tonight. It's a self-help book. Oh, nice. Is Cardano worth buying at the price right now? I don't know. I haven't even looked at it. Cardano. Where is it? No, that's not even fucking... Hey, what the fuck? Be here. I do not see it at all. Am I tripping? Oh, there we go. Probably not. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know anything about it, to be honest. Maybe. Yeah. Sorry, that was a terrible fucking answer. Hustle harder, hustle smarter. So 47 a month, 75 people, bro, making 3.5 a month from it. OMG. Are you talking about my 47 a month for my mentorship? No, there's only like 10 people in that. That's the free ones. The free one, I think 75 or some shit have joined through that link, but the majority come from like TikTok or YouTube or something. But yeah, no, I don't want a lot of people in there either, so I can keep it personal and help people a little bit more. 75 people would be too many. Up 1% now. I'm gonna let it rip for today. Nice. Stop loss break even. Nice. A girl is gonna send me some baklava today. What's that? Can I Google that? I'm allergic to nuts, so I can't eat it. Alright, okay. Looks shit. Why would you eat that? Are you trying to kill me? I heard gold went up due to Diddy. What the fuck? Oh, never mind, then I'm stupid. Nah, it's alright. Yeah, it's easy to get confused. When you click on it, takes you to the, shows you the free people or whatever. I'll post you Trump TikTok on my story, still laughing about it. I'll be joining it soon. Yeah, man, whenever. It's no rush to do it, no hard sell, just whenever you're comfortable, you have time, all that shit, you know. It's literally the best, man. She made it herself. I mean, fucking take that. Dude, I've been drinking so much water because I'm back on creatine. I think I explained this before. I'm back on creatine, so I've been drinking fucking so much water. I'm just pissing like, I mean, this shit doesn't help, but I've just been pissing like non-stop. It's fucked. I gotta piss again. I'll be back. I'm back. Do you only trade like certain things or what? Yeah. So the majority is just Forex and indices, but Forex only at the moment. So, and pretty much all pairs, except for weird shit like the fucking US dollar, South African rand or something. I don't trade that. It's just the major pairs. So anything that's a cross of US dollar, Canadian dollar, euro, pound, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, Swiss yen. Any of those crosses, although I've canned all yen pairs and all Swiss pairs except for pound, Swiss, and US dollar yen. Just because they're the safe haven currencies, and everything that's going on in the world, there could be lots of movement on those currencies, and I don't particularly want to get caught out. So a little bit of exposure is okay. If you're in too much exposure, it's not okay. As a professional trader making millions each month, what advice do you have for young traders? Focus on education and don't listen to the bullshit you see online. Anything to do with anyone in the Dubai lifestyle, promoting fucking Lamborghinis and Ferraris and saying you can do it just from your phone, or promoting signal groups, stuff like that. Don't buy any of that bullshit. And yeah, it's going to take some time. It's going to take some time, but stick with it and you'll be good. You'll crack it eventually. So make around 5 to 10 million a month. Yep. How do you spend all that cash? Well, mate, here in Dubai, you know, I have 30 cars, 30 Bugattis. Yeah, I mean, you've seen it. You've seen my old car. This is my old one that I just got rid of. This plane's kind of a bit too small, so I'm getting like a 747 for just personal use, just flying around and shit. I have a mega yacht, huge mega yacht. Just for fun, just jump on it whenever. There's, 15 staff that just keep it clean for me and everything, and keep it running just in case someone just jump on the super yacht and piss off. And yeah, 10 wives, yeah, Gucci, Balenciaga, fucking all, Birkin bags, their holidays, everything. 73 kids. Got to look after the kids and everything. Buy them, baby formula and all that shit. How many hours do you work on trading each day? Not very much. Not at the moment either. Probably an hour or two. Just monitor it. It's basically just monitoring. That's basically what I spend my time doing, is just monitoring it, and I'll just check if there's anything that needs to be worked on. I'll work on it. It's mostly news that I pay more attention to than the actual charts, and as long as I know what trades I'm in, it's fine. The plane was like 1 year, right? Yeah, old. Get rid of it. Oh, it's like, fuck. Yuck. Louis Vuitton, yeah. Louis, holiday every day, yeah, man. It's hard to spend that much money. Would you consider moving to Dubai to avoid tax, like purely just to, yeah, absolutely. There's other places you can go to, but Dubai is probably the best. Like, you can go to Kuala Lumpur or fucking Puerto Rico, or fuck off to some random island somewhere. But yeah, Dubai is probably the spot to go to. So you're saying you work 2 hours a day and you're on track to becoming a billionaire? Yeah. I work a hell of a lot more than fucking 2 hours a day. A hell of a lot more. But just on staring at the charts is about probably 1 to 2 hours, yeah. And if I'm trading the indices, I'm on here for a fucking hell of a lot longer. Hell of a lot longer. Yeah, but that's why I have 10 wives, 10 spies Latinos, yeah. RDX, thank you for following me. Would you recommend your own mentoring to your younger self? Fuck yeah, I would. Because my mentoring is basically an adjusted sort of way that I got taught. So, yeah. Fuck yeah. I wish I found myself way fucking earlier. Way fucking earlier. Oh, hell no, Dubai is good as. I've been to the airport, but I haven't actually been there. We'd have to see. Check out Housecoin. What even is it? I'll Google it. I don't do crypto, so. I don't even know what I'm looking at. Like, just looks like a standard crypto, I guess. But yeah, I don't know what the fuck I'm looking at. Yeah, I don't know. Why won't you go to Dubai? GG, bro, try again. Thank you very much for following me. Naka, once you see it, you'll love it. What up? Username 29495792. How are you? You ever done meme coins? Yeah. Yeah, I fucked around with meme coins when I was bored. For like a week or some shit. I was like, let's give it a crack. I created a couple and fucking did all that shit. I was just bored and wanted to spend some money, so I did that, and it didn't work. It's fucking virtually impossible. I need to fix my sister's car. 1 sec. Easy. If you could have traveled back in time and talked to yourself when you were new in trading, what would you have said? I don't know, I probably would have just directed myself to my original mentor earlier. Like when I first started, I was just going straight there. Although when he taught me, it was more advanced stuff, so I kind of needed to know the basics. So I would have just said, go straight to Baby Pips, do the Baby Pips course, and then learn from this guy. And cut out all the bullshit. Although the other thing is it's good to learn all the other shit too, because then you can kind of see what works and what doesn't work instead of having like speculation about other people's trading strategies. Like you kind of have to go through the trials and tribulations of discovering these people that are doing crazy numbers and all this shit, and then realizing that it doesn't work. This is a great example. This is a fucking great example that I'm gonna give you guys in a second. And the food is good as. Cap. No cap. I can't take the heat. Oh, that's fair enough. Can't even stand 25 degrees, I'll pass out. Yeah, fair enough. See, I love the heat. I'm not a cold guy. Search up million moves on YouTube and click the live signals for gold. Why would I do that? But I'll do it anyway. Okay. Wait, what am I meant to be looking at? Is this only in 720p? The fuck? Why is there 6 million fucking people in here too? Like how does that happen? This could be a liquidity trailer from the bottom wick on H1. Is this guy even talking? Or is it just like straight up nothing? Like why am I looking at this, Lucas? I don't know, man. How long is this fucking live stream? This is just ridiculous. Yeah, I don't know. Not for me, bruv. Do you think it's risky to invest crypto considering what Hawk Tour did with the Hawk Tour coin? I mean, it's risky to invest in anything, crypto especially, yes. Cryptopreneur, thank you for following me. It's a lie, I've been going for over 2 years, really? True. What the fuck? Jesus. You got to do your research, Hawk Tour was full of insiders, hence retail just got fucked, yeah. I mean, so is every single fucking meme coin that's produced ever full of insiders. How many stocks do you monitor a day? 0, because I don't trade stocks. I only trade Forex and indices, but not indices at the moment, so just stocks. Remember GameStop short squeeze? Nah, wasn't. I don't trade stocks, so probably isn't even on this fucking broker. Might be on this one. Might be. Surely it's fucking here, right? No, it's not. Do you know the symbol for GameStop? Surely, how the fuck is it not here? GME. Nope. Should I do Forex or stocks? Depends. My recommendation is Forex, but I don't know much about trading stocks. Never really looked into it, never had an interest. Could a 3-dimensional frequency table be used to display more complex data sets? What? I'm 16 and I got 1k to my name. You won't be able to trade anyway. You won't be able to open an account. You need to be 18. So focus on education. Would you say you're a high value man in the top 1% considering you're a future billionaire? Getting there. Do you ever trade gold or ever did? I've tried a few things on gold ages ago, but I never took it seriously. My mentor did most of the hard work on, like my old mentor, did most of the hard yards on fucking gold and couldn't get anything to really stick. Like he got stuff to work, but it just wasn't worth it. So he advised against it and I just never bothered. Use my mum's name. Also, how should I learn Forex? Do the Baby Pips course. Start the Baby Pips course, join my Discord. Discord's linked in my bio. And come have a chat. Talk to people. Throw questions in the fucking community chat. Fixed it. Problem with the light. Shit. I'm very excited, baby pips. Yeah, just finish it. There's a lot of shit that you don't need to know, but it's just better to know everything. Study it. Come join my Discord. Chuck some questions in. I'm gonna drink a Red Bull and play some Call of Duty. Fuck yeah. What time is it over there? It's pretty early as fuck, right? What are you, fucking Netherlands, right? Is it the Netherlands? Am I tripping? Yeah. 10:44. Fucking almost forgot. Jesus. How should I develop a strategy? Does Pips teach you that? I don't even fucking remember if they teach you that. I did it, but I did it fucking years and years ago. You'll be trying to develop a strategy forever, and pretty much the only just use my fucking strategy. It's just easier. It's just easier than developing your own strategy. Use someone else's strategy, but who has a proven track record, but tweak it to kind of how you like, which is what you can do because I have 5 million fucking customizable settings on my EA. So you can tweak it to how you like it and how much risk you want to do, how, you know, what time frame you want to do it on, how frequently you want to be in and out of trades. Do that. Don't try and develop your own strategy. It's fucking extremely difficult, especially as a beginner. You do that shit later once you have once you've been able to see that you're profitable. Can you do that with ChatGPT? It's pretty good. That's pretty fucking good, Lee. God, we did terribly with the likes this fucking stream, eh? That was horrible. What else do we need? Post one short video. I could fucking sneak that in real quick, and then I'd be at another tier 3 flare, but I'd have to restart the live to pop it, which I don't particularly want to do because Friday night streams suck and no one comes in. Over 5 years? True, that is pretty good. You have a bot, right? Yeah. Check YouTube? Shit. Oh, it's good. Sorry. It's really hard. It's really annoying. So when I fucking detach this shit, right, and put it over here, it doesn't update. It doesn't update at all. And... oh, true. I can do timestamps. That's pretty cool. I'll leave that on. And as soon as I click something, it comes off. So it's got to be fucking... it's got to be locked in here, and it's hard to have OBS on all the time. But I will for now. I shall for now. How do you start? Join my Discord, watch the beginner's video. It's free. What up, Pepsi? Oh, yes. Really? Yeah, it is. I actually haven't had that too much recently. What are the boxes and how do you set them up? What's the strategy called? I mean, it doesn't really have a name, my strategy, but it's a version of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion of martingale. The boxes are fair value gaps for new people. They're also called wide range bars. 1, 2, 3 gaps, but fair value gaps is probably what you would know them as, and they are a indicator that I developed, and is available for people in the mentorship, where you can just slap it on and it will just automatically update to, so I could open any of these. Oh, maybe not fucking crypto. I can open like any Forex. Oh wait, we're on the fucking weekly, that's why. It's not gonna be any. So crypto should work. Yep, crypto's working. There's probably none. There you go, there's some. So yeah, automatically updates, and it's free for the people in the mentorship. Lock the fuck in, Will Gibbs, time to make some dosh. Fuck yeah. How much do you need, you reckon? It depends on your situation, but I recommend at least a couple of grand. People can do it with less, people do. Road to 1,000 subs, fuck yeah. I love that. Hopefully you subscribed, and I appreciate it if you did. I presume you did, Lucas, so thank you. But yeah, we're getting there, we're getting there. I just need to post more on YouTube. I don't post much on YouTube because I've been spending so much time making, I'm doing like a 2.0 of the mentorship, so I'm been working on that like crazy. So I haven't been doing much on the YouTube side of things, but once I get that out to people, or to the mentorship guys, then I'll start pumping YouTube videos. But anyway, Nash, you can start with, like, I got people in the mentorship with $500 accounts that are making money, but I suggest a couple of grand. Can I borrow 50? You don't need anything, just start learning, join the Discord, watch the video. Thank you, thank you. And yeah, that's true. That's if you want to start trading live. You don't actually need money. You can just use a, you can use a demo account and focus on education. That's what I tell everyone, actually, yeah. Education, education, education. Because you'll lose all your money. What did they tell you? What? Who tell, who? What? Some money and learn by demo trading that is good and profitable, you can invest. Absolutely. How much have you made? A lot. Trading, I imagine you got to sit there all day and watching it drop and rise though. Nah. Depends what your strategy is, but nah. How long do you usually wait between trades? Like in between taking a trade and not taking a trade? It's so dependent on the day and whether there's a setup or not. The majority of time I'm in trades. There's very little time that I'm not in trades. Very little time. I prefer long-term investing because the capital gains tax is cooked. That's true, yeah. Get a good accountant. Up almost 2% now, nice. Time frame you trade on, 1 hour for my higher time frame bias, and then 5 minutes for my entries. I might change that to 4 hour high time frame M15, just so I can spend like as much time as possible on the guys in the mentorship while still making money. Like M15 H4 is still very good. Just don't have to monitor it as much. So we'll see. We'll see. 4 hours good with the volume now. It is, yeah. Why do you sell your bot for only $50? I don't like so I could sell it for a hell of a lot more, right? And people charge like a shitload of money for those things, but I want to teach. Like I like teaching people and helping people get away from all the bullshit online. And I thought, why not just throw it in there for free instead of selling it to people who might not particularly know what to do with it, and then because they're complicated and you can blow accounts easily if you don't use the right settings or whatever. You don't know what the fuck you're doing, and you can blow your accounts, right? And that's what I thought. I'll give it for free in the mentorship, That way some people get some pretty good value regardless. They're getting fucking extremely good value regardless. Plus you get an entire fucking mentorship. You get fucking calls with me whenever, like one-on-one coaching, all of that shit. And I don't, like, man, exactly. $47 a month is fuck all, right? I could charge so much more than that, but this industry is so scammy as it is. I just don't want to do it. I don't know. I just don't want to be some fucking scamming piece of shit that charges $2,000 and then, you know, I just can't do that. How much profit do you usually make in that 5 minute? What do you trade? I make about 7.5% of my account size per month, and I don't usually disclose my account size. Can I resell your bot? Absolutely fucking not. Absolutely not. There will be legal repercussions for doing that because it's trademarked. So yeah, you can join the mentorship, and then there's an affiliate program where you can sell the mentorship and get a huge cut for it. Mine's 30% because, you know, if you're doing that shit, if you're bringing me more people, you're making me money, you may as well get a pretty fucking big cut of it. So none of this fucking 3, 4, 5% shit. You get 30, motherfucker. So you can do that. That's technically reselling it, I guess. But yeah, no, there will be repercussions for reselling it. Plus, you won't be able to. You literally won't be able to. It's code that you won't be able to decompile. The security around it's insane, so you won't be able to decompile the code. Yo, what up, Matt? Friday night. What's going on? Can you type the Discord? It's not working for me. Yeah, I might still have it, actually. There you go. If you want to join the Discord, there it is. Yeah, or do what Xander said. Press 3 dots in the right corner and open external browser. It's just TikTok's weird with it. How long have you been trading for? 4.5 to 5 years. I gotta work that out. 4.5 to 5 years, yeah. Okay, let's talk. I'm down for commissions. Easy. I'll join the Discord. Sweet. No stress. Hit us up. Money, money, money. Always money. In a rich man. What is fucking 30% of 75? A third of that. Am I disabled? 25. 20, yeah, 25 bucks. Because it's 75 Australian dollars. So it'd be like 25 bucks a pop. And that's recurring too. It's not just the first time. It's however long they're there for, you get the commission every month. GG's, yeah. But I gotta set up like a clip system for people to like clip me and fucking post it and all that shit. I feel like the majority of my streams have clippable shit. How's Nvidia looking so far for tomorrow? I don't fucking know. I don't trade Nvidia ever. Never have. Not the biggest. Is this Nvidia? No, it's Tesla. Can have a look at it though. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh fuck. Big pump. Is that just what's going on with Trump and fucking the Middle East or some shit? I got no idea. It's not the get rich quick bullshit, to be honest. What'd you say, sorry? Nothing? Yeah, it really isn't. Time scared, my strategy is too simple. That's okay. What's the strategy? Yeah, that's right, Xander. If you're making money, it's fine. How hard is it for you to get your apartment when you're trading? How hard was it to get accepted? No, I got this fucking... I've been here for a while. So, yeah, that wasn't a problem back then. But, actually, it was fucking hard to get a place with, just in general, with the whole rent. Like, when I went, because I rent, I'll never fucking, I do not like real estate at all. And I don't want that burden either of having fucking real estate. But when I would do inspections on places, there'd be 30, 40 people at an inspection. I don't know how the fuck I got this, to be honest, but I did. I mean, it works every time. Well, there you go. Joseph, what's good? What's good, Joe? Where you been? How you been? Yeah, where the fuck have you been, actually? I'll be out tomorrow night. That's good. The simpler, the better. Yeah. How much weekly rent you pay? $5.40 a week. Come around for a beer. I can't tonight. Working? Yeah, fuck yeah. Was it expensive? $5.40 a week. Which market is that? Forex. This is Euro odd. Working. Yeah, true, Matt. I'm drinking tomorrow. I'll be out tomorrow night if you want to fucking come out and absolutely carry on. We'll be around tomorrow night. It was my mate's girlfriend's fucking birthday. It was meant to be tonight, but I was like, fuck that. $5.40 a week, that sounds good as. Yeah, it is, but it's fucking shit at the same time. Yeah, it's true. Especially for the view I get and everything. Like, I get sunset views, I got city over there, it's fucking mint. Yeah, it's true, otherwise there's so much stuff in the markets otherwise, yeah. Sounds good, message us. Yeah, I will. Maximum carry on tomorrow, I'd suggest. And we might be going back to... Oh, no, that was meant to be tonight. Eclipse was meant to be tonight. Which is where I saw you, eh? Fucking... Bro, fuck that place. How bad is that fucking Smokers? That Smokers is the worst Smokers I've ever... You can't even breathe in there. It's fucking so shit. Yeah, I'll hit you up. You trade London? Not at the moment, but I was for indices, yeah. But, I mean, my shit's on all the time, so, yeah. I guess. All the carries-ons, yep. You really try and make yourself look impeccable on your YouTube vids. What do you mean by that? Are you selling a get-rich-quick scheme? Me? Fuck no. No, this is not a fucking get-rich-quick. Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You make yourself look very professional, because I am professional. Motherfucker. Do you think gold will go up now? I don't know. Flip a coin. Who fucking knows? I don't trade gold either, so I'm not too sure. If I traded gold, maybe I'd have a little bit more insight, but I really don't. Gold will go up if Diddy gets prosecuted. Look at gold now, he's going to the moon. Is it? Yes, grab that liquidity. Everyone stops down here. Maybe, we'll see. No idea. I'm at the ozone layer. It's going down like Chinatown. Yeah, it's not looking good. But who fucking knows? What is this? I've never even fucked with this before. Okay. Are you profitable? Yeah. I've been for 3 years. Could you get an apartment tour? I can't take my camera off. Maybe one day, yeah. But it's fucking sealed on there. Oh, thank you for, holy shit! What the fuck? Are we looking at this? Are you guys looking at this? Whoa, what the fuck? Kirkus X5, 5 roses, hand heart, 4 GGs, another rose. Hold on, let me scroll down. No, 6 roses, 8 heart puffs, 7 GGs, 7 ice cream. What the fuck? Bro's going crazy. Holy shit. I can't even fucking keep up. 8 ice cream cones, 7 love you so much, 4 TGI apps, 6 TikToks, 3 tofus, 2 you're awesomes, 3 fluffy penguins, jelly snake, tiny diny, 2 koala refills, finger heart, ice cream cone, rose, GG, 5 heart puffs, a fucking ice cream cone, and 1 cap. What the actual fuck? Can we get some W's for Kirkus X5? Can we get some fucking W now? Now. Literally now. Bro, thank you so much. What the actual fuck? What the actual fuck? He deserved a big W. Man, thank you very much for that. That's fucking absolutely insane, and I'm very appreciative. Thank you so much. What the fuck? That was fucking crazy. Holy shit. Bro, fucking, man. Thank you. The coins are up, are they? W. Yeah, W. It's worth getting into. Yeah. W. Pin is worth getting into. Yep. Kirkus Nutglaze. Fuck off, that was awesome. That was fucking insane. And thank you so much, bro. I don't come here for the gifts, so when I do get gifts, it's like, hum. Bro, more hand hearts. Fucking crazy. W. Franken followed, thank you very much. What stock crash during the Trump day is good to get in on before the market goes back up? I don't know, I don't trade stocks. W. Love you, bro. Love you too, you fucking sick cunt. Thank you very much. 1,000,000 W's. I'm gonna pin my own W. I hope gold go up. I'll do around 3,000. Shit. I just don't know, man. I'm not a gold trader, so I don't want to give you like shit insight, but from a technical standpoint, we could have like this little break and this could just be a retest of this level here. And then we could go back down to here and start trading around here. But it did seem like there was a little accumulation. We got back up here, you know, we got down the bottom here. We tried to get back up, sellers took control. Now we've broken out of that level and this level. We've come back down here. Buyers are buying, sellers couldn't get it back down to this level. I just don't know. This is a weird spot. It's a weird spot. Thank you for the rose. I don't know if I just said that. Dues funded MS. I don't know what funded MS is, but I have a funded account. Yes. Long Solana at 102. Up so good. Nice job. Have a good day. You too, bro. Thank you so much for everything. Really appreciate that a lot. Really appreciate it. So thank you very much, and I hope you have a good day also. I appreciate you supporting our little stream here. So, thank you. Fucking super kind. Salt radium and Potenza are pumping. Are they? Jessica? Haven't seen you for a fucking while. I guess in the last month or so, we've had a bit of a fucking climb up. That's pretty good. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. It's fucking weird. Man, what a lovely guy. He's done a lot of shit. What's his opinion on trading the trend line and the one-to-one risk to reward? Do you want me to crash out? Fucking Christ. Don't do that. Was easy money if you're long crypto after the tariff hold? Yeah. Wheelie, follow. Thank you very much, Wheelie. Appreciate that. So was at 99 when Trump announced the tariff hold. Fuck, yeah, okay. That's decent money. If you were leveraged, if you weren't leveraged, it's like whatever. But fuck, if you were leveraged, big money. Don't trade the trend line or don't trade a one-to-one risk reward. Yeah, well, one-to-ones can work. You can get a one-to-one to work. It's fucking hard, but you can get it to work. And trend lines are garbage. Fuck trend lines. And you can just like identify with your eyes what a fucking trend is doing. Manual trading in general is fucking... I don't like it. How much you got on it? What do you mean? I had 20k in of my own, wasn't leveraged because I'm not old enough to leverage. Fair enough. I mean, still, you fucking made some money. I got a one-to-one strat with around 80 to 90. Yeah, so you can make it work. It's just not always advised. Depending on your strategy, obviously. Can be shit, can be good. You never really know, laddie. There's 17 people up in here. That's the gold strat, yeah. I use another strat with some different RS, yeah. My old one was fucking... like my indices was like... you could say it was 1 to 7, sort of. It was weird because I would have 2 positions on and take one position off at 2R and then let the other one run to 5R. How much money you can withdraw? As much as you want. I don't know if there's a cap. Yeah, I don't know. Most of the time I target around 5 hours and maybe 10 hours. Yeah. Oh, fuck, we've been here for a while, eh? Might be time to boost off. I started streaming a little bit early so I could have a fucking longer stream. Waiting until I'm 18 to start day trading. Yeah, it's a good idea. Focus on education. I wouldn't even be starting. 20k at 18, that's before 18, that's wild. Chucking in the markets. It's super risky. 17. Jamal, thank you very much for following. I appreciate that one a lot. Is day trading worth a try? Yeah, absolutely. Is this Axiom trade? No. It is not. Because I got NFTs early and have been in the Solana space since $11. Wish I help, but we live and we learn. Yeah, held. Yeah. It's whatever. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. Can't have that mentality. Oh, 11k likes. Fucking hell. Thank you very much. It only took 2 hours. But thank you guys very much. Jess, up the top. Thank you. And Lucas. Air conditioner. Thank you guys very much. Fucking super nice. What kind of this? What is the name? This is MT4. And my broker is Black Bull Markets. Oh yeah. What do you suggest I do with my capital when I'm 18? Not financial advice, my opinion only. Nothing. Focus on education. Get super educated until you do anything with that money. And then develop like a lucrative skill that you can make money off with your large amount of capital, and then deploy that capital into that lucrative skill and build it. You're young, so high risk. That's what I would do. My opinion only. Talk to a financial expert before wanting to do anything. MT4 Forex scene. What? I don't understand what you're saying. MT4, yes. Forex, yes. I'm so scared to spend money now because I've worked so long to get here. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, you could just work and fucking... See you later, Xander. Thank you very much for tuning in. I appreciate you staying for so long and fucking having a yarn and everything, and I appreciate that. So take it easy, rest up, hope you feel better, and yeah, thank you for being back, King. No worries. I'm here to stay, hopefully. I gotta watch my language, but yeah, here to stay, hopefully. Take it easy, have a good day. I'm so scared to spend, yeah, so, don't do high risk then. Do low risk, low reward. Do everything safer. But that's with education. You have to educate yourself first. So focus on that. Well, my total capital is around 48k, and once I buy a car, it's cut in half. Why the fuck would you buy, at 18, buy a car that's worth $24,000? That is fucking psychotic. But I mean, I've had a million cars and I've spent way too much money on cars in the past, so I can't really talk. And I got advised not to do that and I still did it anyway, so I don't blame you. But my advice is don't do that. Like, think if your capital was 10k. What are you spending out of that 10k to buy a fucking car? Bro, you're 18, who gives a shit? No one fucking cares. You're gonna ruin the car anyway. DJ G, thank you very much for following. How much you invest in? A lot. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I've been here for fucking ages. It's been over 2 hours. I'm gonna boost, and yeah, I'll be back maybe Sunday. If I'm not hungover as absolute fuck. If not, I'll be back on Monday for some more live streaming and fucking some talking shit, some trading. If you're not in the Discord already, jump in the Discord, links in my bio, click the link tree, hit the 3 dots at the top, external browser, take you to an external browser where you'll actually be able to get into the Discord, because TikTok doesn't like the links. It'll just take you to the App Store and tell you to fucking update or install. It's bullshit. External browser, get in the Discord. Throw something in the community chat, ask some questions, talk to me, whatever, it's free. And if you haven't followed already, what the fuck are you doing? Why have you not followed the greatest, most good-looking, fantastic trader on the fucking planet? So you should be following me, you should be in the Discord, you should be coming and talk some shit. No creator fund sucks in Oz too. Yeah, I don't even know what that is. I'm new to social media, so I got fucking no clue. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys on Sunday or Monday. No pay for videos on. Oh, right, yeah. Nah. See you later, Splick. Have a good one. And yeah, see you guys in a couple days. Have a good night, fantastic evening, have a good weekend, rest, recover, or be a fucking sick cunt and work the whole time. Thank you, Splick. Thank you, Dion, very much for following me. I appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing the both of you on Sunday or Monday. All right? Take it easy, guys.